Hello, everybody. This is Ye Chen from South Korea, your Korean teacher, everybody. So today is our first time to have a practical class for our North America continent. Congratulations, guys. Okay, so from this time and 2 days later, with the same time with this, we're gonna have a same class, the practical class. Okay, so right. Okay. All right, Krishana. You always can join it. Okay. So I'm gonna share it about. I'm gonna share the screen for today's class. Today's class is gonna be about the consonant and vowel. Okay. Consonant and vowel is the really basic materials for how to build up the Korean words and Korean sentence. Okay, so it's kind of really important things. So please don't forget about it, everybody, and please make sure to study. Okay, so I'm gonna share the screen. So you guys ready? So if you guys have any questions, if you guys have any answer, if you guys have any curious things, you can always just write down in the chat. Okay. Then I'm gonna share the screen right now. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay, so hope you guys can see this one. Can you guys see the screen? If you guys can see the screen, please write down in the chat with the yes. All right, there we go. Thank you so much. All right, so let's go to the consonant and vowel. Okay. For the consonant, we can write down with the 자음, 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 자음. Okay, so we have several different single consonant. For this one, we need to memorize it. There's no choice, guys, because this is a really basic consonant. So you guys have to memorize with this basic materials. Okay. Let's start with the beginning. 기억. 기억. You can pronounce with the g, 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 but you need to write down with the G and K for the letter. But actually the K's pronunciation is like k, k, right? But in the Korean, we don't usually, k sound is to have like different words. So if you really want to speak it, please remember that even there is writing by with the K, you have to pronounce as a G, G, G. Okay, so let's say I'm gonna give the example with the Kim, right? K-I-M is the Kim, right? Actually, but if you really want to speak like a Korean, you have to speak like a Kim. Okay, because G and the K is the same pronunciation with the G, G. Okay, so please keep in mind. All right, next one, 니은, 니은. All right, sounds like N, N, N. And you can also write down with the N for this one. Okay, next one, 디귿, 디귿. 디귿. All right, sounds like the. And you can write down with the D. All right, next one, 리을, 리을, 리을. Sounds like L. Okay, you can write down with the R and L. Please remember it, everyone. R, it sounds like a R. Right? But actually in the South Korea, we don't use actually that much of the tongue or the lips. So R is also pronounced as like a L, L, L. Okay, so please remember it. Next one, 미음, 미음. Sounds like M, M, M. Okay, you can also write down with the M. Okay, next one is 비읍, 피읍, 피읍. Sounds like b, b, b. You can write down with the B and V, but actually we don't, it sounds like a V, okay? As I told you, we're just using some easy, like a soft accent. So which is B, B. So you can write down with a B and V, but actually pronunciation is gonna be B, B. Okay, next one, 시옷, 시옷. Sounds like S, S, S. Okay, and write down, you can write down with the S for that one. Okay, well, next one is gonna be a bit different with others, right? But actually, you can just memorize that. Okay, so 이응, you can just write down with the A and Y, and sounds like uh. But when that is go to the down consonant, it can be sounds like 응. But we don't know like when it's going to go to the down consonant, all those kind of things, right? But we at the future, we're gonna learn about that one. So please memorize it. Please just remember and memorize that. Okay, so ian can be sounds like but if they go to the down consonant, sounds gonna be So you can just memorize that with that generally. Okay. Next one, 지읒, 지읒, 지읒. Sounds like j, j, j. And you can also write down with a J and Z, but we don't have a Z sound like a Z. Okay, we only have a sounds like j, j, j. Okay, next one, 치읓, 치읓. Sounds like ch, ch, ch. And you can write down with the CH. All right. Next one, 키읔. Sounds like k, k, k. As I mentioned before, you like sounds like K, right? But actually, K is the pronunciation. Sounds like g, g. But for the C, k. C is sounds like a k, k, k. Okay. Next one, T, T. How you can say T, T, T. This is also, you can write with T, all right? And next one, P, P. Sounds like P, P, P. You can write down with the P and F actually, but F, now we don't have a F pronunciation sounds, okay? We even that is write down with the F, we have to speak with the P, 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 okay? And last one, here, here, you can say, you can pronounce with the H, 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 okay? And the writing is going to be the H, all right? So this is all the single consonant, but we also have a double consonant, everybody. But don't worry, guys. The double consonant is the emphasized accent, and then we don't have that much of the double consonant. Okay, so you can just memorize it. So with the as a consonant, all right, like pronunciation was called 자음, right? But if we put some double in it, double can be pronounced with the 쌍, 쌍. Okay, let's say double I line. When you're trying to say with the Korean, you can say with the 쌍꺼풀. Couple is the like I line, and 쌍 means the double. So 쌍꺼풀 can be the example of the double. Okay, so we only have 5 different double consonant, which is 쌍기역, which means double 기역. Sounds like g, g, g. Okay, if I give you the example with the g, when you turn up the light, we can say 끄다, 끄다. We can use that one for the example of the 쌍기역. Okay, next double consonant is 쌍디귿, double digit, guys, double digit. 쌍디귿 sounds like the. If I give the example, it's gonna be 떡볶이. You guys know what it is? Spicy rice cake with the Korean food. So 떡볶이 can be the example of the 쌍디귿. Okay, next one. 쌍비읍. 쌍비읍 sounds like b. And for the 쌍비읍, I can give you the example with 오빠. Oppa is like older brother from the female side, but if you have like experience to watching some K-drama, there are a lot of people saying like oppa to everybody, right? Yeah, also can be appa as well. Appa means father. So oppa is the older brother. Appa is the father. So please don't get confused, okay? So please don't say to the appa to your older brother. They were gonna say like, I'm not your appa, you're oppa. Okay, so please make sure to don't get confused. Okay, next one. 쌍시옷, double 시옷, 쌍시옷. I already give you the 쌍시옷 with the example 쌍꺼풀, right? 쌍꺼풀 can be like use example of the 쌍시옷. Okay, and lastly, what is it? double 지읒, 쌍지읒. All right, I'm gonna give you the example with the 짜장면. 짜장면 is the Korean's traditional like a noodle. 짜장면. So 짜장면 has an example of the 쌍지. Okay, so there was all the consonant and double consonant for the Korean. Okay, and then we also have a vowel, right? So with the vowel, we can say 모음. Okay, for this one, all the things that is actually have to memorize it, everybody. Okay, so I'm just gonna read slowly so you guys can just compare the different between the differentiation between all the vowel have like different pronunciations. Okay, I'm gonna read it slow down and then faster and then fluently, so please listen carefully and take some note with between the differentiations. Okay, then let's start. Ya, yo, yo, you, e. A bit faster. Ya, yo, uyu, e. One more time. Ya, yo, uyu, e. Fluently, or you can say e. It's difficult, huh? One more time. E. It's really hard to speak like this, right? So please, guys, you don't need to speak like this fast, okay? Because even the most important thing is, guys, even you can speak Korean fast, if your diction is not correct or accurate, then they will gonna think, okay, so they are trying to speak with the Korean like an expert, but actually they are not. Okay, so most important thing is what? Diction and accurate pronunciation. Okay, so you don't need to speak really quickly for the Korean. If you have a stable intonation and also with a stable pronunciation, then they were gonna listen carefully more a bit. Okay, so that was the single vowel. We also have a double vowel, but we don't use the 쌍모음. Okay, 쌍모음 is sounds like kind of have some like a curse with the South Korean. So we also have a double with a different word, which is 이중. 이 means two, and 중 is the double duplicate. So 이중모음. 이중모음. So 이중모음 is the like a plus with the single consonant. One single consonant and single consonant. The another single consonant. If we add it together, it can be the 이중모음. Okay. So for now, some 이중모음 have the same pronunciation, but actually, writing is different. But we don't know like how to compare with that. Okay, so how can we compare with the like same pronunciation? You can compare like it depends on the situations and depends on the grammar, but we cannot like compare with everything for now because this is your first time, right? So let's go to step by step. So please just remember that some double vowel has a same pronunciation, but different writing. Okay, you can just memorize with that part. Okay, I'm gonna give you the example. First one and second one is the same pronunciation, which is e, but writing is different. Okay, next one. 3 and 4 is also same pronunciation, which is ye, but different writing. So please memorize it. And 5 and 6 one is also same, which is we. Okay, but different writing. And the next 4 thing is the different things. Okay. This one you can just add it with the u plus e. U plus e. So it's gonna be sounds like uy. Excuse me, guys. So yeah, so actually I just pronounced the both of it, u and e. But if we speak like quickly, let's say u e. If you quickly, or if you speak quickly, and it becomes to uy. Okay, all different word, different letter is also same. So this one is we, which is u and e at the u and e at the same time. So we. Okay, next one, plus with the u and a. So wa. Okay, and last one is what? U and e. So we. Okay, all right. So that was the double consonant. Until here, do you guys have any questions? Please write down in the chat, please. So far, so good, everybody? Are you guys catching up? I've been pronouncing way. Okay. You're welcome, Linda. Okay. So, until here, any questions? You can write down in the chat, everybody, if you guys have any. So far, so good. Very nice, everybody. Okay, then I'm gonna give this tip and then we're gonna go to the practical class, okay? So for the letter, everybody, you must have to have a one consonant and one vowel at least, okay? With the one consonant and only with the one vowel cannot be the letter, okay? So let's try to have some example for the practice. Okay, well, let's say how you can write down la with the English word. Please write down in the chat la. How can write down with the la with the English? There we go, Linda. Really impressive. There we go, Nicole. Correct. Yes, correct. Yes, you can be la or ra. Perfect, everybody. Jimmy, great. Okay. Next one. Okay. Okay. Su. How you can write down? Su sounds like s, s, and u. Su. Oh, look at that. Nicole, very nice. Jimmy, very nice. Okay. Su is going to be s, s, and u. Su. Very nice. Okay, let's go to the two words then. You're impressive. Okay. This one. 영화. 영화, which means is this is the movie. Okay. How you can write down with the movie with the letter. English letter. How you can say. 영화. 영화. Okay, I think, okay, some people write down with the, Nicole write down with the 영화, and they other people just using it the 용화. Okay, let's try. We have a different 여. 여 was what? This one, right? Correct. So actually, 여 is like this. 여. And Ian, when they go to the down consonant, it's gonna be go to the NG. So young is gonna be like this. Young. Wow. That is the correct answer. Young. Okay. Perfect, everybody. Okay. Impressive. Okay. And last answer is gonna be my name. My name. Please, at least you guys, you need to memorize your teacher's name, huh? Okay, so this is my name, everybody. Ye-chan. How you can write your name, my name? Can you try? Nicole, oh, impressive. Ye-chan, very nice. Yes, Ye-chan. Ch, and and chan, nian. So this is gonna be my name, Ye-chan. Okay, so Ed, since you guys already write down my name for me, write down the name for me, why don't we try with the yours? Okay, so for now, we're gonna learn about how to write your name with Korean. Okay, for the write your name with Korean, please remember everybody, okay? Please remember it. Name can be write down by pronunciation. Now with your letter, now with your letter, okay? So let's say some people's word is like, okay, my name is exactly the same with the name and the pronunciations, but some people's word was actually different with the word and the pronunciation. So if you want to give the Korean name to the somebody with the foreigners, you have to listen some their foreigners English pronunciation first, okay? So who is the class? Oh, who is the student in here with the North America? Can you raise your hand, or me? You can write it. You can just write down in the chat it me. Okay. All right, Jessica Sterling. All right. So, okay, let's try with your name then first. Okay, Jessica, can you turn on your microphone, please? Jessica.
Yes, right here.
Hello, hello. How are you?
Hi, good.
All right. Can I know where you're from?
Like the state that I'm in right now?
No, actually, oh, you're staying in the US, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Well,
so
originally I'm from Peru.
you're from Peru. Impressive.
Yes.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So currently you're living in the North America. So that's why I just give you with the North America people.
Yep.
Okay. So all right. Okay. So for the Jessica, is it my pronunciation is correct for your name, Jessica?
Jessica, yes.
All right. So Jessica's Korean pronunciation. Okay. Before to start, Korea also have their own Korean accent for the English. It's called Hangalish. It's not a good thing, but yeah. So Jessica's Korean pronunciation is gonna be Jessica. Jessica. Okay, so let's try with the okay. Other students also please you're trying to write down the Jessica in the chat, please. Okay, so Jessica can be start with j and e. So je and she Jessica. So s 시옷 and e. So Jessie and k and Jessica. So this is your Korean name. Okay, can you pronounce with the Korean accent? Jessica.
Jessica.
Ka can be a bit more close to the k pronunciation.
Jessica.
Jessica. Can you try again?
Jessica.
Very nice. All right. Thank you so much. All right. So this is your name. So please don't forget about this one. Okay.
감사합니다.
You're welcome. Okay. Let's go to the Linda. Can you turn on your microphone, please?
Hello.
Hello, Linda. Where are you from?
I'm from Mexico.
Mexico. All right. So Linda, is it my pronunciation for you is the correct?
What?
Linda.
Yeah.
Okay, Linda. Okay, Linda. Okay, so Linda's Korean pronunciation pronunciation is gonna be Linda. Linda. Okay, so Linda is gonna be start with the l. So it's gonna be real and li and lin. So n. So gonna be lin. And the next one is gonna be ta, right? Ta. So
네.
the and so Linda. So this is your name. Actually, you're correct. So Korean pronunciation is gonna be Linda. Can you try?
Okay. Linda.
Perfect. All right, that's your Korean name. Okay, so please don't forget about it. Okay.
Okay.
All right, thank you so much. All
감사합니다.
right, you're welcome. Okay, so next person is who is gonna be our student from the North America? Please write down in the chat, please. Who is gonna be? All right, Itahi. Yeah, okay, all right, okay. It's kind of difficult. All right, so can you turn on your microphone, please? Itahi.
Itayetsi,
Itayetsi. Okay, all right. Hello, where are you from?
America.
America. I'm sorry?
The US.
US. All right. So Itayetsi. Yetsi. Is it right pronunciation?
Yes.
All right. Itayetsi. Okay. Itayetsi. All right. So actually, if I pronounce your name with the Korean accent, it's gonna be Itayetsi.
You forgot the I and between the H and Y.
Oh, my bad. Okay.
Yeah.
So, okay, this one, right? So Itayechi. Itayechi. Right?
Mhm.
So Itayechi, how can we say? E start with the and E. So E and ta start with t. So teeth and ita. And then it's gonna be ye. Ye is gonna be similar, same like my name as well. So ye and chi. Chi start with the ch. So it's gonna be chi and i. So itayechi. This is your Korean name. Can you pronounce with the Korean accent, please? Itayechi.
Itayechi.
Correct. All right. Really nice. Thank you for trying. Okay. So please memorize your Korean name. Okay. All right. Let's go to next person. Krishana, can you turn on your microphone, please?
Hello.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes.
All right. Krishana, is it my pronunciation is correct for your
Yes.
name? Krishana. Okay. Where are you from?
North Carolina, USA.
North Carolina, USA. All right. So Krishana, your pronunciation for the Korean name is going to be Krisha. Oh, wait. Shana or Sana?
Shauna.
Shana. Okay. Krishana. Okay. Your name is going to be Krishana. So start with the k, and u, k, k. So k and 리 start with a l. L. It's gonna be real and e. So 크리, 크리 and sh. So it's gonna be s. So s and then ya. 크리샤, 샤. So 크리샤 and na is gonna be n, which one is ni은 and so na. So 크리샤나 is gonna be your Korean name. Can you pronounce with the Korean accent, please? 크리샤나.
Karishana.
Correct. Very nice. Okay, so this is your Korean name. So please don't forget, please memorize it. Okay. All right. So Karishana this is your Korean name, and let's find out who's the another students from our North America. Can you raise your hand in the chat, please? Anyone? Okay, Marina Rice. Okay, can you turn on your microphone, please?
Hello,
Hello, Marina. Where are you from?
from the United States.
United States. All right, Marina. Is it
Yes.
my accent? My pronunciation is correct for your name?
Correct.
All right, Marina. So this is gonna be your name is gonna be pronounced with the Marina. Okay. It's kind of
Marina.
correct. So I think this one is a bit easier than another name. So can you try to write your name with the English, with the Korean? If you guys can write down at the chat, you also can try to write down in the chat as well. Okay. Marina. Start with the m. So mium and ma.
Ah,
And
ma.
리 is gonna be l. Real and e. Ri. And then na is gonna be n and so niun and Marina. This is your Korean name, Marina. Okay, so please don't forget to okay. All right, some people, okay, Marina is a place in your country. Oh, interesting. Wow. All right.
Oh.
All right. Okay. All right. So please memorize your name and don't forget about it, okay? Okay.
Okay, thank
All
you.
right. Last person. Celine, can you turn on your microphone, please?
Hi,
Hello, where are you from?
I'm from Texas, but originally from Mexico.
All right, Mexico for you, but you're staying in the Texas. All right. Celine, is it my pronunciation for you is correct? Celine?
Celine,
All right, Celine. All right, very nice. Celine. So you can pronounce your name with the Celine, with the Korean accent. Celine. So
Celine,
Celine. Celine. Can you try again?
Celine.
Very nice. Okay, it's almost same, right? So Celine, it's gonna be start with the s and e. Cel and se have to have a down consonant with the l. Cell. So it's gonna be real. And then we also have a lin, right?
Yes.
Real and e and n. So Celine, this is your Korean name. So please don't forget about it and please keep practicing. Okay? So until here, everybody. So how was the class, everyone? You guys can know how to write your name with the pronunciations, okay? So please keep practicing it. And if you guys have any question, you guys can always just ask at our general help, or you can just write down in the general chat in North America, and everybody is gonna help you, okay? And please don't forget to spread our Korea class so everybody can learn some of our Korea class for free, okay? I'm gonna upload some of our posters for the North America as well. And also I'm gonna upload this video to our YouTube channel. So please check and keep practicing. All right. Then thank you for coming and see you at the next practical class. Okay. Bye-bye, guys.